how to add relative on VK on Android or iOS phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to add that easy and quick. First open VK and then click on your profile here, and once you're here click these 3 points and then click edit profile and scroll down and click relatives and then click add relative, and here you can add that and then save it. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.